Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the January. So, this is the magical monthly mystery reveal for the month of January. So, this month it comes out in January, but it's basically for February. So I'm going to put this to the side and just show you the kit first, and then I'll show you the foil after, just like I usually do, and my little bit of a story about it. So I'm going to kind of start from the back so you can see the monthly kit first, and then I'll go into the weekly kit. So my idea for this was that if you ever seen the movie Ratatouille, I loved Ratatouille. I thought it was distinctly an adorable movie. I love the restaurant and all of the stuff about like the movie was just fantastic. The restaurant was super cute. I love everything about it. So what I wanted to do was to create like a date night, like a Valentine's Day type. People are going to the Les Chaises, which is the name of the restaurant. They're going there and they are having their date, their Valentine's Day date there, and having dinner with their loved ones. So if you watched the movie, you know that there was an upstairs and a downstairs. So the upstairs, they turned into a restaurant for all of the smaller critters. So we did a smaller critters on date night. You'll see with the bigger boxes because these are all in the bigger boxes, but with much more detail. So we've got all of these guys out on their little dates together. Even a couple of the rats from Ratatouille are in there. And then this one is from Robin Hood, Cinderella, and then the rescuers. So these are these characters, and then downstairs was where the big people were. So we did the downstairs of the restaurant here. So we have Rapunzel, obviously Jack and Sally, we've got Princess Frog, and then we've got Little Mermaid. So we have some of the characters from those ones, and they are all having their date night. This is the monthly view. So and then here is the big long sidebar box here, and you've got Eve and Wally, and they are outside of Les Chaises getting ready to go in. So it's not just, it's even the robots are out on a date. Everybody's out on a date. So this is your monthly view, and this is 3 pages. So you've got both your tops. Remember that these can go on either side. I just did a video. It went out just before this one, which basically shows, actually, I don't know if it will. I think this one's going to go up first, but keep an eye out for where I set up the monthly for the month of January, and I show you how to use this kit. So that way, if it's at all confusing with the way that the boxes are cut, you will see in that video how I envisioned this to be used. And so that is the first 3 pages. Then we'll get into the kit itself. So here is all of the full boxes, and you can see here is the upstairs, and it's all decorated, and everybody's out to eat. So you've got little rats are here, and they've got all their little, I'm going to bring it up nice and close so that you can see all the food, like all the detail in each one of these boxes is absolutely fantastic. And they're all out on their little dates. Look at how stinking cute they are. And then on the bottom, you've got them out on their date as well. Jack and Sally are dancing. I mean, even the lighting is super cute. See the look of the lighting. And then you've got Rapunzel. So that is page 1. And then on page 2, you've got Wally and Eve, and they're heading into the outside of Les Chaises for their date night. And then you've got your washi strips and your little smaller, like almost like appointment label type things. They're much smaller where you can put scripts inside. Then you've got your page 3, which has all of your date covers. I changed up the font. I love this font. You're going to see this font a lot. I hope you guys like it. Here are some full boxes with the white out in the middle so that you can write on them. And then you've got all these other ones here. Got little dividers, all kinds of good stuff. Then this one's got some glitter headers, a tracker, your to-dos, today's importance, some doodle boxes, your movie marquee, check boxes, hearts. Then here's your functional page. So you've got all of your, let me move it down so you can see better, different size functional boxes where you can also use your foil on these. Some more functional boxes with even smaller boxes for you, all the way down to like quarter size boxes. Then for all of your little extras, you've got your months. So depending on what month you want to use it for, if you don't want to use this for February and you want to pick a different one, you've got all the months here. Then here is the big tall double box, and this is the full size. This is also going to be your but there will be a saying on here. This is also going to be your dashboard. So the dashboards aren't here yet for me to show them to you, but I could at least show you the kit. So here is Wally and Eve, Les Chaises. And then your doodle boxes, and then your glitter headers, And then this one has your paint splotches and your trackers. And then your little things with all the little things, tons of little things. And then the last two is this is the matte sheet with all the days of the week, so you can use it wherever you want. And then this one is all of your to-dos, today's, emails, appointments, next week's, grocery pickup, and your date numbers. So these are dots, and these are kiss cut around the numbers, and these are matte, and these are on the white paper. So there's that. Now for your foil bundles this month, I chose, I didn't really choose, the mailman chose. The mailman chose that we are going to do silver foil and gold foil because he has not delivered the foil that I actually picked for this, but this is fantastic. It is gorgeous. I love it. And I'm going to start with the silver foil. This is Silver Hollow, and here are all of your boxes. As always, very Disney themed. I changed up the headers a little bit. I mean, the dividers a little bit. Still has the Mickey head in the middle, but you've got some swirlies instead, and each one is kiss cut. Then you've got your full box overlays with the love you in it, and then this one here, these are two smaller boxes, so if you wanted to use, let me get to it, if you wanted to use one of these boxes here, you could fit that right over the top of these size boxes. We've got two of those, and they are A True Love Story Never Ends, and you got Mickey and Minnie, and then you've got Love is in the Air, and It Was Always You, and you've got Jasmine down here, more overlays. This page is your washi page, so you've got your usual washi overlay, then you've got the hearts in the middle, then you've got the I love you overlay here, which can be used. That's why I give you, let me get to it. Where is it? Where is it? That's why I give you this. So this is just your plain 15mm washi in case you want to put any of these over the top. So I don't know how well you can see that through it, but you can see here you've got your 15mm under, and then the I love you banners across the top. So that is your overlay for that one. Or you can use that one. It just depends on which one you want. So there's that. Put that back. So, and then this is some deco at the top here and another overlay box. Then you've got 8 more overlays. So you have tons of them. You've got 17 actually, right? Yeah, 17 underlays. And then this is your page with all your weekend stuff and all that good stuff, that more numbers, like if you need more numbers. But so this is the Silver Hollow. And then you've got the Gold Hollow. And this is, I won't go through every page, but just so you can see that rainbow look. Looks really nice. It's really pretty. And your second page here. And then the rest you've seen them. I'll flip through them really fast, but these are all the Gold Hollow. And there it is. So there's everything for, this is just the January monthly mystery bundle. Magical monthly mystery bundle. I always mess that up. Always mess it up. And I hope you guys like it. And I will have this available. Couple little shop notes here. The shop is pretty much on vacation other than this bundle here for January. Of course, you can get other things that are in the shop, but I'm not really putting out anything else new this month because we have some construction projects going on. So my shop is going to be basically out of my kitchen. So I really don't have a lot of room to be doing huge bunches of orders other than this stuff, which is already done. So I just have to pull and ship. So these are already finished. What's in the shop is all there's going to be. There's no sign-ups this month because I'm trying to figure out a different platform for you guys so that you can buy them month to month rather than having to do them in 3-month blocks, because I know for me that's difficult to do something 3 months in advance, even something as fantastic as this. But I want to make it available monthly, and it's really hard to do that right now on Etsy. It's actually impossible to do it on Etsy, so I'm trying to find another platform to do that on. So until then, these kits are only going to be month to month. Whatever's up in the shop is what I have. I will list them all, so it's first come first serve as usual, but there's no monthly signups this month. If you already have a sign up, which most of the 3-month signups were up in December, and I did not put out a new ability to sign up again. So all of you who had your subscriptions, other than I think 1 or 2 people that I can remember, January is your December was the last one. So if you want to continue, you will have to go to the website and actually pick it up individually until I can get the monthly stuff done. So that's it. just want to get that all out there so that you guys know what's going on with the signups, and that this will be available on January 1st. It will go on the vault in the vault on January 31st. And if you are still looking for the December, the one that just came out this month, it will go in the vault on the 31st, and that one is up in the shop right now. So if you would like to get your hands on that one before it goes in the shop, that is the New Year, New Me is the one that's up there. So if you want that one, you'll have to pick it up before the 31st, because then it goes away just like the other two did. And then this one will be starting January 1st. So I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday, and I will see you again soon. Bye.